Dito sa problem, ang gagawin dito ay mag-add muna ng positive 5 both sides. Okay? So, mag-add ng positive 5. Then add. Cancel yan. So, bring down lang ito. X minus 3 squared equals 25. Okay? Then extract square root both sides. So, matatanggal lang yung radical, matitira ay x minus 3. Ang square root ng 25 ay dalawa. It could be positive and it could be negative. So, plus, lagay lang tayo dyan plus or minus 5. Okay? So, we will have two solutions. First, gamitin natin yung positive 5. So, we will have x minus 3 equals 5. Okay? So, ilipat natin dito yung 3. Magiging x equals 5 plus 3. Okay? So, 5 plus 3 is 8. So, our first solution is x equals 8. Then, gamitin naman natin yung negative. Ito, negative 5. So, we will have x minus 3 equals negative 5. Okay? So, ilipat natin yung 3. So, magiging dito magiging x equals negative 5 plus 3. Okay? So, magkaiba yung sign. Ibig sabihin, subtract. Of course, malaki ang absolute value ng 5. Ang sagot ay negative 2. Okay? I hope you learned something. Thank you.